it's just a check. Fine, let's just go. Shoes. Let's go get her shoes.
To the camera.
Hey. Hey.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Hi, Emily's on.
I'm hungry. And
I want to record.
No.
I want to record.
No, it's your birthday.
My birthday.
It's your birthday. I have to record you. I have to record you. It's your birthday.
Okay, record me.
Okay. Oh, come on. We have to get Crystal shoes.
Why can't Jemmy just help her find shoes?
Because Crystal and Jemmy are
Dance
awesome.
on the stairs.
Come on.
Dancing on the stairs.
Let's go.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Anthony's car.
Failure! You fail! Look at it! Look, isn't it pretty? Isn't everything so pretty?
Yeah.
Hooray!
Don't thank him! Don't thank him!
No, why are you thanking him? Why? It's my house!
Yay, we did it!
Jemmy, how come when you guys got out the door, it was like this, and accidentally popped one?
Premature! Oh, premature!